Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about homemade skin hydrating and glowing syrup that reduce blemishes spot on your skin. So let's get started. Cucumber contains vitamin C and is said to have brightening properties and works like magic on dull and damaged skin. They also reduce dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. I take it here 1 by 4 part of glass of water so that cucumber mix it well when it grind. Strain this mixture in a well strainer. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps with lighten the sunburn blemishes, act as a moisturizer and soothe your skin. It's totally optional. It just add a fragrance. If you like it, you add it, otherwise you skip it. Vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E softens dark spots and brightens skin tone. Anti-inflammatory properties that reduce appearance of uneven skin tone and under eye dark circles. You can use this serum for 3 to 4 days. Afterward, its smell is not fresh and you have to make a new serum. Use this serum for 2 weeks and see the clear results. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.